Water pollution effects on the environment. Water pollution has reached frightening levels in recent years despite the considerable efforts to treat and clean up wastewater. In fact, humans add 1.2 trillion gallons of untreated wastewater into water supply each year. In addition, 14 billion pounds of plastics are dumped into the ocean each year. If we continue polluting our planet with the same rhythm, 47% of people on Earth will struggle to find drinking water by 2050. Water pollution effects on human health and environment present serious threats on the future of humanity and our planet. In this article, we will detail the principal effects of water pollution on the environment, and we will present some examples of environmental disasters caused by water pollution incidents. There are a variety of water pollution effects on the environment. However, these effects can be summarized in the following elements. The algal bloom caused by water contamination with nutrients. The effects of chemicals and heavy metals on the aquatic life. The threat of aquatic ecosystems by marine debris such as plastic. The effect of ocean acidification on many marine organisms. The algal bloom. The contamination of water in lakes or marine environments by nutrients used, for example in the agricultural fertilization, induces an excessive growth of plant and algae. This growth reduces oxygen levels in the water. This lack of oxygen, known as eutrophication, suffocates plants and animals and can create dead zones, where waters are essentially devoid of life. In certain cases, this excessive algal growth can also produce neurotoxins that affect aquatic wildlife. Recently, many algal blooms occurred in some regions in the United States. The toxic algae bloom in California's Klamath River in 2017. The algae bloom on Lake Erie near Toledo, Ohio, in 2011. At its peak, the bloom covered 1,930 square miles (5,000 square kilometers) of the nearly 10,000 square mile (25,600 square kilometer) lake. Water pollution by chemicals and heavy metals. The contamination of water ecosystems by chemicals and heavy metals has very harmful effects on the aquatic life. In fact, these contaminants are known to be implicated in the reduction of an organism's lifespan and its ability to reproduce. In addition, these toxic elements make their way up the food chain as predator eats prey. That's why it was reported that tuna and other big fish accumulate high quantity of toxins, such as mercury. There are many examples of water contamination by different types of chemicals, and scientific publications are studying new cases every day. However, in this article, we will mention only one example with representation